Take flat position. Let's start.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. जय हिंद।
धन्यवाद मैम। समाचार हमें राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर का सामान्य ज्ञान, सामयिक घटनाओं, नए अनुसंधान, नई खोजें और नई खबरों की जानकारी देते हैं। इसके अलावा वर्तमान समय में हो रही देश विदेश की घटनाओं से अवगत कराते हैं। आज के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर के मुख्य समाचार प्रस्तुत करने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी शबाना मैम को।
Good morning all of you. Today international news headlines are India informed China of new requirements for Indian medical students attending Chinese universities in order to be eligible to practice in India. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now to update ourselves with the national news headlines, I would like to call Divya ma'am.
Good morning one and all present over here. Today's Indian headlines are SBI to issue infrastructure bonds to raise an additional $1.2 billion. According to PM Modi, the new union budget of India will definitely contribute to the development of the nation. Thank you and have a nice day.
धन्यवाद मैम। आज के खेल समाचार प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं समत सर।
Good morning everyone. Today sport news is India versus Australia Border Gavaskar Trophy 4th and final test match. Australia all out 480 run. India replied 571 run. India lead 91 run in a fourth day. Virat Kohli and Shubman Gill outstanding batting. Virat Kohli 181 run. Shubman Gill 130 runs. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Life is a combination of good and bad, positive and negative. And both the things have their own importance in our life. Because if negative events and thoughts discourage and demotivate us, positive things again make us believe that yes, still something good is happening around us. Now to present regressive and progressive news, I would like to call Priyanka ma'am over the stage.
Good morning everyone. So today's progressive news of India is India's GDP is the 5th largest GDP in the world, and today's regressive news of India is Nifty declined 1% on weak global cues. Thank you and have a nice day.
धन्यवाद मैम। विद्यालय में हो रही गतिविधियों और होने वाली गतिविधियों के बारे में हमें जानकारी देने आ रही हैं स्नेहा मैम।
Good morning everyone. It's time for the campus news. From 15th March, St. M.R. Jaipuria School going to start its foundation course, and its motto is to build the child literacy and numeracy skill. Thank you and have a nice day.
धन्यवाद मैम।
Now for the weather updates, I would like to call Manini ma'am.
Good morning everyone. Today's weather update is the temperature is gradually warming up and the current temperature recorded is 26 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a nice day.
धन्यवाद मैम।